Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to ask the audience, what is the probability on getting each color on a wheel? And what is the probability of each color when we do the sample size is 30?
So, before we begin our experiment, this is the process of how we make the spinning wheel.
Now we are going to test on our first respondent. So please spin the wheel.
You may pick.
Right, next our second respondent. Just spin.
Yeah, I got yellow.
Right.
Now let's move on.
Wait.
Tahniah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, in order to execute the experiment, we have asked 30 students to spin the wheel. The sampling technique that we use is convenience sampling.
Now let's go to the question.
So for the theoretical probability, the outcome of each color for the spinning wheel are 1/6. This is because there is an equal chance and there is no other factor or cause that could change the outcome. This could be looked on other experiments such as rolling the dice, because there is no other factor that could change the outcome, and the possibility to get each number on the dice are 1/6.
Right. So we've done our little experiment. We have chosen convenience sampling as our method to collect data from our respondent. And as you can see, this is our sample. Each transaction has a different probability. This is because there are outer factors that could influence it, such as how people spin the wheel, whether they're spinning too strong or too slow. That's all for me. Next.
So now I'm going to show you the differences between experimental probability and theoretical probability. So for question D, the difference between experimental probability and theoretical probability of the spinner landing on pink section is 4/15 minus 1/6, which we will get 0.1. Then we times by 100% to get the percentage, which is 10%. So for question E, the differences between experimental probability and theoretical probability of the spinner landing on green section is 2/15 minus 1/6, which we will get -1/30 times 100%, then we will get -3.33%. So for question F, the differences between experimental probability and theoretical probability of the spinner landing on white section is 1/6 minus 1/6, which we will get 0%. So for the last question, the differences between experimental probability and theoretical probability of the spinner landing not on the pink section, we need to do 1 minus the experimental probability on landing the pink section and minus by 1 minus the theoretical probability on landing on the pink section. So the calculation is 1 minus 4 over 50 minus 1 minus 1 over 6, which we will get 11 over 15 minus 5 over 6. Then we will get negative 1 over 10 times by 100%. The final answer is negative 10%.
Based on the study, we can conclude that there is the difference between the theoretical probability and experimental probability. We could assume that there is all caused by several factors, one of them being how much strength that students put on the spinning wheel. In addition to that, there is wind factor and stability of the spinning wheel that affect the result.
Phone Jadi kita tak berkenan dengan orang guna flip phone ni.
Yeah.
Kita racing.
Lah hipokrit.
Jom.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today apa? Today
Ngok, ngok, ngok. Huh? Huh?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okey, dah habis. Sekian tu. Terima kasih.